never too late to start eating clean because Clean Eatz has the best options to help you get started.
That's right, we got Chef Kayla here, and what are we making?
So today we're going to be making our chicken pineapple teriyaki bowl, and I just figured we would run through like what we do at Clean Eatz, which the bulk of what we do is meal prepping. You can totally do this at home. But we just want to help save time. We know that you live like busy, active lifestyles, kids are in sports, you have much better things to be doing than being in the kitchen. So the biggest thing about meal prepping is actually weighing your food out. It's not about like a quarter cup or one chicken breast. It's about the amount, the weight of food that you're going to be eating. So
smart.
We're going to start off with 4 ounces of brown rice. This is already pre-cooked, so I'm just going to put it on my scale here. And this has been zeroed out. If you're going to do it at home, make sure you zero out your scale.
I need to get a scale. I didn't even know that, when it came to meal prepping, you have to weigh it. I was always kind of just like eyeing it.
Oh yeah,
and then,
a cup of this or a cup of that.
Right.
Okay.
And most of the time, if you don't want to measure it, like if you don't have very exact goals, then you don't really need to do that. But for some people, they have fitness goals, they're trying to cut weight, maybe they're trying to gain weight. It really is important that you're counting your macros, which is what we focus on at Clean Eatz.
I'm definitely gonna get a weight after this.
But yeah, right. But Clean Eatz, you guys are all about meal prepping. That saves you money.
Right.
It does.
It saves you time, it saves you money because you can run the numbers yourself, but it takes so much time to go to the grocery store, to make a list, to prep everything, clean the kitchen, do everything. So we're just trying to help you save time, and that way you can give it back to your kids, give it back to yourself. You have more time to go out with the girls.
I love the way you said that.
It's summertime. We want to be out. We do not want to be in the house. We want to enjoy that weather.
Oh, amen.
And
can I record you saying that? And
no, literally.
Do my alarm in the morning? Like, give it back to yourself.
Give it
Right. And speaking of that, coming up, starting tomorrow, actually, we have a limited time drink. It's going to be our margarita mocktail. So if you want to stop in and get some of that, or for the summer, we also have some shrimp tacos that we're going to be debuting. So come in and see us.
Caroline.
That's right up my alley. And I love the mocktail because that also helps you lose weight even further.
Right.
Yeah.
So you're still getting that fun summer flavor. You're still getting, that drink and the caffeine and the protein and everything, but you're just not getting the extra calories from all the alcohol.
Love.
So
margarita mocktail, dang.
Margarita, who
Kayla,
knew?
you're
Margarita
like
mocktail.
Santa Claus right now. You're bringing us all the good things.
So I just went in with a little bit of chicken. I'm going to go ahead and top it off with our pineapple here. And then in the store, if you did have some specific goals, we offer customs like extra protein, low carb. So maybe if you are trying to, hit the low carb, if you are trying to bulk up the protein, we can do that for you as well.
Oh, easy. Well, Kayla's going to keep cooking out this thing with her little scale going on. We're going to be right back with Clean Eatz. Stick with us.
To the Living Dayton Kitchen, we're talking clean ingredients with Clean Eatz.
That's right. We've got Kayla here with us, and we've had so much fun over the break. She's kind of broken down
helping us.
the scale and how much you should be having. And that makes life so easy because Clean Eatz does that for you.
Does it for you. Honestly, being in the kitchen, doing everything yourself, like unless you enjoy it, it really does take a lot of time. And just, it's the way of the world now. Like you're being pulled in so many directions. You have work, you have kids, you have friends. So we really are here just to make things simpler. And like I said, it really is cost effective. You can run the numbers yourself. I am a little biased, so take it with a grain of salt, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it really is a great alternative. It's great for you to eat healthy, and then also you're getting it at a cost effective rate without spending your time really doing anything but coming to pick it up once a week.
Amen. Like you said, it makes life easy, but I'd much rather be at the pool.
Right.
The way I'm about to be like at my desk on Clean Eatz stuff,
right.
Just kind of like, okay, what can I do here?
No, literally. I do enjoy meal prepping, but I'd much rather be doing other things.
Exactly. Like maybe in the wintertime when it's cold and you have nothing else to do, but in the summer when you could be outside, you don't really want to be out there just cooking, watching everybody else enjoy the pool. So I went ahead and finished this up. This is just our teriyaki sauce. I'm going to go ahead and pour this on top here, just so you guys can get a nice little visual.
Wow.
And the other thing about eating, and especially eating clean, is you want it to look visually appealing. So we like to really eat the rainbow here. You're seeing kind of some greens, some reds. It looks very vibrant. It looks very fun. This is very summery. So this is something you could easily do at your home. You can switch it up. If you don't like chicken, you could do steak or fish. If you're vegan or vegetarian, you could swap it out for a plant-based protein. But we try to just get you taken care of here at Clean Eatz. And we also have some little snacks, since I know that it is sports season and it is summer coming up.
I do love my sweets.
Yes.
I do love them.
So we have some cookie dough bites that we're starting to sell in the store. If you wanted to come get those, it is a sweet treat, but it still does have protein in there. And then we have some protein PB&Js.
Yeah. 10 grams of protein
Yes.
right here.
So
Yes.
easy.
Oh, this is all my protein I need.
You don't have to feel guilty at all. It is made with clean ingredients, and then you're also getting a little bit of that nutrition and sustenance, so it's not just going away to sugar.
I love it.
I even want to highlight that salad. How many
Yes.
grams of
Yes.
protein are in that?
Yes.
So I believe it has
what did I say? 38 grams.
38 grams, and that is our buffalo chicken salad. You can find that on our weekly meal plan. Our meal plan does switch up every week, so you're not going to get tired of ordering the same thing or
Yes.
eating the same thing. And you can order as little as much as you want. There's no subscription, there's no ties to anything. This is just a commitment-free relationship we're going to have. So.
Oh, I love it. And guess what? You're going to be seeing a lot of me soon.
Yes.
I love it. Viewers at home, you can find all that information on your screen for Clean Eatz. If you're looking to make it easier, Clean Eatz has your answers. Kayla, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
Of course.